Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your JBL speaker to an Xbox. We'll explore the various methods available, ensuring you get clear and immersive sound for your gaming experience. Whether you prefer a wired setup or are looking for wireless solutions, we'll cover the essential steps. Let's dive in and get your audio perfectly synced for your next gaming session. The most straightforward method often involves a wired connection using an auxiliary cable. Simply take a standard 3.5mm auxiliary cable and connect one end to the auxiliary input on your JBL speaker. Then, plug the other end into the headphone jack or audio output port on your television. This routes the Xbox audio, which is already going to your TV, directly to your speaker, providing a reliable sound experience. For a higher fidelity audio experience, consider using an optical audio cable, also known as Toslink. If your Xbox has an S/PDIF optical output, connect it to your television's optical input. Your TV will then pass this digital audio to your JBL speaker, assuming your speaker also has an optical input. This method delivers crisp, clear digital sound, enhancing your gaming audio significantly. It's important to note that Xbox consoles do not natively support direct Bluetooth audio output to external speakers. However, you can often connect your JBL speaker to your smart television via Bluetooth, and your TV will then play the Xbox audio. Alternatively, for personal audio, a headset adapter plugged into your controller can provide a 3.5mm jack for wired headphones, offering another sound solution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.